Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Fincantieri and Defcomm signed strategic agreement to develop high-tech autonomous surface drones. Italian shipbuilder Fincantieri has signed a strategic agreement with Defcomm, an Italian startup specializing in unmanned maritime solutions, to co-develop advanced autonomous surface units. The partnership aims to accelerate the industrialization of Defcomm's drones, which have already completed long-run and endurance trials, and are designed for surveillance, intelligence, and patrol missions. The surface drones offer flexible operating modes, including full autonomy, remote control, and manual operation, and are noted for their high speed and performance. The agreement also allows Fincantieri to integrate launch and support capabilities for these autonomous systems aboard its naval vessels for both domestic and international markets. Training activities will form part of the collaboration, with a focus on demonstrating the platform's capabilities and interoperability in complex scenarios. This partnership confirms Fincantieri's role as a leader in innovation and a growth engine for the entire national naval industrial ecosystem, said Pierroberto Falgiero, CEO and Managing Director of Fincantieri. Falgiero added that the group is able to catalyze the development of new technologies and anticipate the needs of a competitive and rapidly evolving global market such as that of surface drones. He emphasized that partnerships with innovative startups like Defcomm are key to strengthening strategic autonomy and technological sovereignty by enhancing the best our country has to offer. Federico Zarghetta, a veteran entrepreneur in naval automation and founder of Defcomm, called the agreement the natural evolution of my ongoing pursuit of innovation, continuous improvement, and adaptation to the ever-increasing demands of the market and international competition. He said, "Just as Fincantieri is the undisputed world leader in cruise and military ships, I am certain that Defcomm, together with Fincantieri, will be able to achieve the greatest challenge of the coming years, to bring the leadership of high-tech, high-performance marine surface drones to Italy as quickly as possible." Zarghetta also described Fincantieri as the most competitive company and Italian excellence worldwide, adding that the company's combined strengths would allow them to position ourselves at the top of the global competition in this new and promising domain. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.